Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to reduce call data consumption on WhatsApp without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open my WhatsApp. Just like so. Having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots at the top right here. So click on that. Then to open up this page, next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings right here. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And then you have to navigate to storage and data. It takes you to this particular page. What you need to do at this point here is to simply turn on this particular button. So by turning on this particular button, this will allow your call data consumption to be drastically reduced on WhatsApp without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.